Hi, Vadim here. In just a few steps, I'll show you how to tackle this common everyday challenge on your device. Very often, you'll find yourself needing to send the same email to multiple people, clients, team members, or students. When you use the To or CC fields in Outlook, everyone in the list can see who else received the message. This may be fine for internal communications, but it's not ideal in many professional settings. To keep your recipient list private, Outlook offers the BCC option, blind carbon copy. When you use BCC, each recipient receives the email, but no one sees who else got it. If the BCC field isn't visible by default, you will need to enable it. To enable it, you need to go to Options and select BCC. If you're using the classic ribbon, the BCC option is one of the buttons. And now you're ready to compose your message. But instead of placing addresses in the To and CC fields, add them to the BCC. What I've seen working well is people send email to themselves and then BCC important clients. Before sending, make sure to double-check your message and recipients. Once you send it, each person will receive an individual-looking email unaware of the others. This is especially useful for announcements, customer follow-ups, or sensitive messages. Using BCC helps maintain privacy and keeps your email looking personal. But overusing it, especially in internal communication, can reduce transparency. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Training for Everyone. Have a great day.